How are we doing today, guys? This is the Narrow Chaser coming at you with a little video I got, and this is just a little preview of my updated portfolio as of this week. We are finally seeing green thanks to the news of the stimulus check, like I said, was going to be happening this month. But I'm going to show you more of my portfolio tomorrow. Today, I want to talk to you about something that I came upon since the market has been so unstable lately and so volatile. It's called a put credit spread. And as you can see here, I've done one expiring tomorrow, and I did one for Monday. And all these cost is a collateral of $100, and you can collect between $5 to $10. It all depends on how confident you are, and that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. So the ticker symbol I do is SPY, and this is because when you open it up, you see that SPY, you can do contracts Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is when they expire. So you can do this method 3 times a week, repeatedly collecting $5 to $10 every day, well, every 2 days, 3 times a week. And all you do here, let's go to March 17th. All you do, you collect, or you click put. Here, let me do March 15th actually. You click put. Now SPY, besides being as volatile as it's been, it doesn't usually move more than $10 to $20 within 2 days. So what you would do, so right now it's currently at $3.93. To be safe, do a $10 difference. So $3.93, you're looking at $3.83. You would select a buy. Your lower strike would be the buy, and then your higher strike would be the sell. And when you do that, you want to make sure you're doing this correctly. It's going to say a put credit spread. So as you see right now, it would be $4 you're collecting. And when you do that and hit review, you're going to notice it says you're going to have a $4 credit that you're going to instantly get into your account. And then you're putting up $100 as collateral. So what that means is, if by expiration SPY falls and finishes the day at 383, that means you're going to get assigned and lose that collateral. But if it stays above your strike price, you keep the credit that you already were assigned, and you also get your collateral back. So this is just a nice little method to, consistently increase your cash flow. But you don't want to get too risky because you're putting up $100 just to make 5 to 10. So you want to be smart about it. You could buy multiples. I've just been buying one for spaced out every few days. But say if you bought a few, 4 or 5, for a $10 credit, that's $50 instantly. Do that 3 times a week, it's $150. It's a little method that I came across, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it right now. So I hope you guys enjoy that. All right, let me show you real quick. This one I was able to collect for 10, expiring tomorrow. And this one I collected $7, expiring on Monday. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.